This is our factory with many different machines, 25 kg packing, small vertical form fill sealing machine for powder, and automatic granule packing line for snacks, candies. These are small powder filling. And this is 25 kg powder packing with vacuum nitrogen sealing. And here is also 25 kg powder packing line. This is a small granule packaging machine. And the band sealer, custom sealing machine. And here from very small 1 gram packing powder to the 25 kg. Also here this line is 1 to 25 kg packing with lifting system. After packing then sealing. And a small packaging machine. Here is the automatic vacuum 6-side packing machine. And here is automatic powder filling line from unscrambler to sterization machine. And after that, here is the powder filling machine. Here is the can sealing machine. After packing and sealing, it's like this. Here, these are our hot seal 25 kg packing machine also. We prepare it.